Most buyers think negotiating a home comes down to one number, the price. It doesn't. The price is just the headline. The real money is in the terms underneath it. Right now, the market is tilted toward buyers, so there's more room to ask than there's been in years. Start with the seller credit. Money the seller puts towards your closing costs so you bring less cash on closing day. Then there's the inspection. Almost every inspection turns up something, and that's a second chance to negotiate for repairs or credit. Timing is a lever too. Give the sellers the closing date they need, and they'll often give you the terms you want. And don't forget what physically stays. Appliances, the washer and dryer, sometimes even the patio set. A lot of it is negotiable. Here's the mindset shift. Treat your offer as a package. Price, terms, timing, and risk, not just a number. The buyers who win aren't the ones who push the hardest on the price. They're the ones who know everything that's on the table. If you're thinking about buying, let's talk through everything you could be asking for. No pressure, just a clear picture before you write an offer.